Hey, what's up guys, King of Brothers here, and today I'm on FNAF 3, and I'll be completing Night 4, so yeah, let's get straight into Night 4! Okay. Meet this guy, and see what Springtrap's doing. Close camera 14, applying camera 15, see where he is, there's that bastard. Okay, 12 AM, already found him, this is going good. Hi. He's gone, he's over there. Yep, now he's gone. He's back where I want him to be. I want him to go nowhere else except for this place. There you go. Stay back where you were. Stay back where you were. Yes, you stay there, okay? You stay there. Right. Okay, you stay there. You stay there, you bum. Oh, really? Oh. Reboot error. That'd be weird if reboot error was in it. Oh, wait, oh. Someone's near me. Crap! Hurry up! Oh, pretty. Piss off. Oh, crap. That scared the crap out of me. Oh, my gosh. I just got shocked. Who's near me?
Hi.
Who's near me? I don't see anyone near me. Oh, no.
Hi.
Audio devices? Who's near me? No one's near me.
Hi.
I knew it. Let's Springtrap. Is he in the vent? Crap, what's that noise? Not even near me. Ew. I did this.
Hi.
How's he near me? Oh, I saw him! I saw him!
Hello.
No bloody way. Oh wow. Hurry up! Hurry up! No bloody way, guys.
Hello.
No freaking way. No. Go back! Yes, stay there.
Hi.
No. No audio device broken. Okay, come on. Yeah, just try this Springtrap. I need Rainbow's gonna do that. Oh yeah, suck. There you are, bastard. Ah, where'd you go? See you, bastard.
Hello.
There's no audio devices. Oh my god, it's 4 AM. I didn't realize. I just need 2 more hours and then I'm done. I can just end this video. Is he in the vent? Oh. No. No. No, wrong one. Creepy as hell. Oh my god. How did he get there? Yeah, bastard. 5 AM. Oh my gosh, I'm close to dying.
Hello?
No, you dare! Don't you dare! Come on, 6 AM. I can stare at you all day. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I love you, Screenshot. Oh, I'm so close. Oh, damn it. Alright, guys, let's try again. Oh. I don't know what should I do. Should I try again? Stuffed up. No. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this video. Almost at 6 AM. On 5 Nights at Freddy's free. Almost to number 5. Gosh, so scary. Alright guys, I need you to subscribe, like this video, comment on the video what I want to do next. Alright guys?